All right, guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to download your conversation on the one that we have on ChatGPT. I have this account. I have so many conversations here, and if I want to download the history and to store it in my drive, there are two ways that I found so far. The first one is if I go to my account here and then I click on settings, and there on the settings, you'll find this option data control. And in the data control, export data. If I click here on export data, what it is saying, your account details, chats will be included in the export. What they will do, basically, they will send you an email containing all your details, everything in that email, and you can download that file, and there you can see all your conversation, all your chat history there. But the problem that we face in exporting from this method, that in just one PDF file, you'll be able to see all the history. I mean, sometimes if you want, let's say, I need a separate file for, uh, let me give you an example. For this flyer, simplified text. If I need a separate file for this one, I cannot get it using this method, because there you will find all the conversation details in one single file. So the method that I found, and I'm very confident, I'm using it for many years now. I use a Google Chrome extension, and the extension, its name is, if I open google.com, and its name is Go Full Page Extension. The first one you will get here, you just need to open this link, and what you just need to add this extension into your account. Google Chrome. I'm using Google Chrome. If you're using Firefox or any other browser, you can, I mean, download and add that extension accordingly. But the good part is, before downloading, I want to bring this into your notice that 4.9 stars, plus there are somewhere around 8 million users are using this extension. So the threat of a security or scam, or they will take your data or misuse it. So I believe that you will not find any kind of problem using this extension. And I'm using, by the way, this extension since 2015. It's been like 9 years now, and I haven't faced any kind of problem using this extension. So the simple way, just add this extension in your browser, and as soon as it is downloaded and mm, it's downloading in my Chrome and adding in my Chrome. So usually it doesn't take such a long time, but we'll see. Anyways, as soon as it will be added, then you're good to go. I will show you then how you can um, capture your screen, and how you can make it as PDF or JPG, and now it is added. Cool. This is an automatic page, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it as well. And from there, from the extensions, if I click here, I'm going to pin this extension on my Chrome. Okay. Anyways, if you want to see, by the way, the extension, it is added or not, I mean, for cross verification, we can go there, extensions, and we can see that, yeah, here it is. Go full page, it is added, and I've just add it here as well. I've pinned it on my page. Once you will pin it, you will see this camera type of an icon here. And yeah, that's it. And now, let's say if I want to download this conversation, that's why. Now, what this extension will do basically, it will scroll the page all the way from up to the bottom, from the top to the bottom, and it will take a screenshot of this page, as well as it will also scroll this conversation page as well. So, what happens basically? Um, let me take let me take this example and I'll show you how it works. All right, I clicked here, and now it has started capturing the whole page. Now, what it is doing, it will not only capture this side, but also scrolling my left side bar from top to the bottom, and it will take a complete picture of this area as well. Usually, this is a wrong practice, by the way. I don't do it like that, because the whole history gonna also be in that PDF file or in that JPG file that it will create. So the best practice, what I do is I usually close this bar by clicking on this icon. So let me show you. It is about to finish, and then I will show you that how quicker it can be. Now, why it is taking? Because the length of this conversation is so long, so that's why it is capturing each and every um, data bits and things like that. We're about to finish it, and okay, so here we go. Now, this is the page. Now it is showing me a complete page. You can see that from top to the bottom, all the conversations are here. This is not my objective. My objective is basically to get this information here, whatever it is. So I'm not going to save it. I'm going to close it. This one, just to take the name of this conversation, I'm going to click on rename, copying this name, and yeah, now I will close this side. So this time it will this extension will take the image of this area only. Now I'm going to click here, and you'll see that how quicker it is. And that's it. So the next page, it is showing me a complete history. If I click on zoom, you can see that easily I can read each and everything. And from there, you can just click on this PDF button, and yeah, it's asking me for some permissions to store this file. And all right, so this file is saved here. It is in my downloads, um, like this. This is the file. I'm gonna change its name. Before changing the name, it is showing me in my PDF editor. Close it, because otherwise it will not save your file. Um, and then we will change the name of the file, which is very simple. Oh, come on, what's wrong with it? Okay, so I'm going to save this file with the name that I took from there, and that's it. So if I click here now, I can see my one individual conversation here in the PDF. I hope it will help you guys. And if you need any other support and help, feel free to contact me. I'm always here. And Yeah, thank you so much for watching.